Antimatter is one of the biggest mysteries that we have in science. It's very rare to start with, so we haven't been able to study it very much, but it holds the keys to our understanding of why the universe is like it is. Because the whole issue for us is that when the universe started out life, half of it was made of antimatter, and yet there's hardly any of that stuff around now. And there's something really peculiar about the properties and the behavior of antimatter that just allowed us to exist.
We've got to the point now where we know that any differences between matter and antimatter are rather subtle, and so we have to do very precise experiments on it in order to be able to spot those differences. To do this, it's useful to be able to take small amounts of antimatter from places where it's produced, like CERN, to other laboratories around Europe where precise tests of it can be done. And really this transport is a proof of principle, proof of possibility that you can perform such transports in order in the future to do them more routinely and to be able to do these precise studies of its properties.
I am sure that has applications elsewhere. I just can't tell you what it is at the moment because we haven't thought about it yet, but we will.